What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a stir fry with a little twist to it. Actually, a few little twists to it. Watch to the end. Need a pan with a lid. I don't know how big this pan is either. You need to get you a pan like that, yeah? Alright, so what you want to do is fill your pot up with some water. Pick 5 beef patties, seasoned. Oh, 3 of them on there. Pick 5 pepper and onion blend. I'm going to scatter these all around the edges. Make sure they're all touching the pan so they're all cooking. We've got Success boil in bag brown rice whole grain, smoked paprika, bada boom, Spice Supreme garlic and pepper seasoning, and some good old-fashioned onion powder. And get you a fancy spatula, yeah? Mix those around a little bit. Mainly, you just want to flip these. I'm going to throw these on top. And then take a little onion powder. Yeah, a little onion powder in there with the onions. Sprinkle on some of that. And of course, the paprika. This is ready. We're going to turn it down to medium. We're going to throw this in there. Yeah? And chop up the meat. Now that it's all nice and not frozen anymore. Yeah? We're into that. Mount Olive jalapeno slices, Italian season since 1926. Jalapenos! I mean jalapenos! Just dump them in there. It's all about that flavoring. If it's spicy, it's golden. Cover it up. Alright, so what you want to do, guys? See, this is what I got so far. You want to drain the juice out of it, right? And what you do is, you take the lid, you slide it back a little bit like that, and that is how you drain the juice. It's pretty simple. That's why lids are amazing. You gotta love them, right? Get a fork that we used earlier. We're gonna get through that rice, yeah? We're gonna drain a little bit. You wanna get a knife? You wanna stab? Slice. We're just gonna sachet it around the food that we've just cooked, yeah? And make sure we get it on top. Don't pile it up. Spread it around evenly. That way, you can leave it. Put that lid back on there. Let it do its thing. And for the final ingredient, we're going to use some good old-fashioned stir-fry sauce. Don't forget to turn that off. Fire only burns if you let it. Get a little hot. You look around in it, you know. You see any chunks of meat, just break them up. Yeah. Get everything nice and ready. And all looks pretty good. Yeah. Fun part. What I like to do is try to push it all to one side. Yeah. Like that. And then oh, look at that! Yeah, nice thick layer over the top of it. Let it go down in all those cracks and crevices. I like that a little bit, some, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of that yum sauce. And really heat it up on there, you know what I mean? Show you how much to put on there. About that much will do it. And then like that. And I give it the toss. Yeah, the toss. I give it the toss. Just to be thorough, give it a little mix. So what do we want here, guys? What is the key to everything that we eat here? full coverage. Couple more tosses. We can go ahead and turn it off. Bop. Now while it's off, we can go ahead, cover it up. And that's pretty much your stir fry right there, yeah? You take this, and put it away. And it is looking beautiful, like you wouldn't believe. Beautiful, like you wouldn't believe. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna plate it. Go ahead and throw that on there. Oh, that's beautiful. Love it. I love it. I love it. Super stoity. That, my friends, is amazing. Oh, what's up, everybody? Thanks for watching the video. If you watched it this far, this is so good. It's got to be a 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 8.5, 8.2 out of 10, 8.25 out of 10. It's 8.2. It's 8.25 out of 10. If you want to see some more videos where I make some more food like this, make sure you click over here. Watch that one. If you want to see some videos about Minecraft, where I play Minecraft, click over here. You know, it's good over here too. Also, if you're not subscribed, you want to see my videos, want to see what I come out with next, make sure to click that little button up top. It's all up to you though. I'm not going to force you to do it.